Have you ever wondered about the star that shines brighter than any other in the night sky? It's not a star, but the International Space Station, our home beyond the heavens. There it is, suspended 400 kilometers above our planet, an emblem of human curiosity and collaboration. Not merely an impressive structure in space, the International Space Station, or ISS, is an extraordinary testament to what we can achieve when we unite and reach beyond our terrestrial limits. It serves not only as our eyes and ears in the cosmos, but also as a floating laboratory. Here, in the microgravity environment, groundbreaking experiments are conducted, ones that simply can't be replicated on Earth. It's more than just a station. It's a beacon of hope, a symbol of human achievement, and our very own observatory in the stars. But how did this marvel come to be? Let's delve into the history of the International Space Station. The journey of the ISS started not in space but on Earth with an ambitious dream. It was a dream that emerged from the collective minds of visionaries across the globe, a dream that transcended borders and nationalities. The seed of this idea was sown by key organizations that dared to imagine the unimaginable: NASA, Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, ESA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. These organizations saw the potential of a shared platform in space, a place where nations could unite in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. This dream began to solidify in the late 90s. The Intergovernmental Agreement of 1998 marked a pivotal moment in this journey. It was the formal beginning, the point where these organizations committed to turning their shared dream into a tangible reality. With the agreement signed, the path was set for the most ambitious construction project in human history. Building a house is one thing, but constructing a space station is quite another. Imagine the enormity of the task, the precision required, the sheer distance from home, and the unyielding void of space. The construction of the International Space Station was a feat of engineering, a testament to human determination and ingenuity. The journey began with the inaugural launch of the Zarya module from Russia in 1998. This was the cornerstone, the seed from which the ISS grew. Yet, Zarya was just the beginning. Over the years, different modules and components, each with their unique purpose and design, were launched from various countries. They ventured into the vast expanse, rising above the clouds, to join the burgeoning structure. From the Unity module of the United States, to Japan's Kibo, from Europe's Columbus, to Canada's robotic arm, each addition brought us one step closer to realizing the dream. Despite the challenges, piece by piece, the ISS took shape, becoming the largest man-made structure in space. Life on the ISS is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Imagine a life where your morning begins with the breathtaking sight of 16 sunrises, and your day ends with the same number of sunsets. This is the daily reality for the astronauts aboard the International Space Station. But life beyond Earth is not all about celestial spectacles. Astronauts follow a regimented schedule, balancing work, sleep, and exercise. They spend their work hours conducting experiments that can only be performed in microgravity, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Yet, amidst this high-stakes scientific work, there are moments of leisure. They watch movies, read books, and even grow plants, a task that brings a touch of Earth to the vast emptiness of space. These small reminders of home serve as a powerful symbol of our ability to adapt and thrive, even in the most extraordinary circumstances. Life on the ISS is a remarkable blend of work and wonder, of the ordinary and the extraordinary. The ISS is not just a space station, it's a beacon of hope for the future. At this very moment, floating 400 kilometers above us, a myriad of critical experiments and research are being conducted. These investigations, only possible in the unique microgravity environment, range from studying the effects of space on the human body to developing advanced materials. This knowledge is not only shaping our understanding of life and science, but is also paving the way for future space explorations. It's allowing us to dream bigger, to imagine setting foot on Mars and beyond. Perhaps the most significant aspect of the ISS is its testament to international cooperation. Nations once divided by ideologies and interests have come together, united by a common curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. The ISS is more than a structure in space. It's a symbol of unity, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. As the ISS continues to orbit our planet, It stands as a shining symbol of what we can achieve when we reach for the stars together.